Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how to make our material respond dynamically to a directional light using material parameter collections in Unreal Engine. First, in the Content browser, right-click and go to Materials. Then choose Material Parameter Collection. Name it something like MPC Light Params. Now, double-click it to open. Inside Material Parameter Collection, click the plus button to add a new vector parameter, and name it Light Vector. Optionally, you can also add a scalar parameter for light intensity and another vector parameter for light color if you want to control more lighting properties. When you're done, don't forget to save the MPC. Let's set up a blueprint to update these parameters dynamically. In the Content browser, create a new blueprint class based on actor. Name it BP Directional Light. Next, delete the existing directional light from your scene and place our blueprint actor into the level instead. Double-click to open the blueprint editor and move to Components tab, and add a directional light component to it. Then, move to the event graph. Right-click and find the Set Vector Parameter Value node, and select the MPC light params that we created earlier. While holding the Control key, drag the directional light component to Event Graph. Then, find Get Forward Vector to get the light's direction. Next, use the Negate node to invert the direction, and pass this inverted vector to the light vector parameter in the Material Parameter Collection. Then, connect to the event tick, so the parameters are updated every frame during gameplay. Next, add a Set Scalar Parameter Value node and pass the light's intensity to the MPC. Then, add another Set Vector Parameter Value node to pass the light color. Let's move on to the mobile skin material. Right-click in the material editor and add a collection parameter node. Set the collection to MPC Light Params, the one we created earlier. Now, get the light vector parameter from the collection and replace the temporary light direction value you used before. Save and apply the material. I'll open the MPC and change the default value of the light vector collection parameter to check if everything is working correctly. Let's test it in simulation mode. By rotating the light, you can see that the shading updates correctly based on the light's direction, thanks to the light vector parameter being updated every frame in the blueprint. Because we update the parameters on tick event, you'll see the material reacting dynamically to the directional light's rotation. Now, your material will use the updated light vector from the blueprint during gameplay. To make the material react even in editor mode without having to play, we need to use construction script. In BP Directional Light, collapse the logic as a new function and name it Update Parameter Collections. Now, call Update Parameter Collections from the construction script. With this setup, whenever you move or rotate the light in the editor, the material updates automatically. And that's it. Now you can update light parameter for your custom material using material parameter collections and a simple blueprint. You can find the full tutorial through the Medium link in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.